This is super fucking special. Hi, good morning.
Yeah, there you go. You're gonna be sick.
We're going to Tamul Waterfalls.
We just saw parrots, which is something that we've always wanted to see in real life, and they were green and they were flying above us over this beautiful river that we're about to explore. So we're walking along the strip because the rest of our tour is eating, and we're like, oh, we're gonna walk around for a second. And we already ate. And you can just pick mangoes from like any of these trees, but we got these off the ground because we didn't want to be rude and pick them off of people's yards. But they're perfectly ripe and they taste so good when we get them from right where they grow. We're walking on this trail, which I'm assuming is to the river, and this group behind me just let me go first, I think, because they're scared of all these cows. So, of course, they're like, let the gringa go first. She's got a stick, and I don't know, I just think it's funny. She's like the crazy abuelas in the Disney movies. Because these cows are blocking us. So it's a thing here to splash people as you go by. On the bus! They had us walk a little through a trail, and then they got our boat over the rapids so that we could all get back on and we didn't have to row. The cascada! It is beautiful. It is a little populated here, and people park their little boats, and that's the stream we just came down from and are walking up this rock. Do you remember what river that water is flowing from?
The river we're on is the Tampon River. The water that's coming over that falls also flows over the Tamul Waterfall.
So apparently the spring is clean and good to drink from, and I think people are going to drink from it right now, but I might try.
This is amazing!
So we just walked up and we're at all this beautiful greenery, and then over here is a cave. Oh my gosh, I'm about to jump in this. Flip. Okay. 1, 2, 3. I love it. We love Mexico. Walking in the clearest water. Taking a mango break. This is the mango we picked earlier. Gonna do a review. Oh my god. It is so good. That is what I just jumped from. I don't know. IRL, it feels really high. It was good. Okay, the gears
in the Huasteca Potosí. My name is Carlos, and I wait for you whenever you want to come here.
Request Carlos. My mom's real COVID safe right now. Wear your mask. Vaccinated. Stay safe. Stay safe. Careful.
We love life jackets.
We love life.
We buried them like